Hey everyone! Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you want to capture every angle on the road and stay protected with next-level driving footage, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best 360 cameras for cars, carefully selected for their video quality, smart features, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's roll right into it. Number 1. Vantrue E360 Dashcam. Kicking off our list is the Vantrue E360, a device that truly redefines what a dashcam can do. Instead of just pointing forward, this clever system uses 2 ultra-wide lenses that work in perfect harmony. Each one captures a massive 210-degree field of view, and they seamlessly stitch that footage together into one continuous bird's-eye panorama. You're not just seeing the road in front of you, you're getting a complete picture that includes your car's interior and the critical areas right next to your A-pillars that are usually blind spots. The final video quality is a stunning 5.2K resolution, which means details like a license plate several cars ahead or a street sign remain perfectly readable. But the real magic happens after dark. For those times when you're away from your vehicle, its 24/7 parking mode acts as a vigilant guardian. It constantly monitors a 20-foot radius around your car, ready to automatically save footage if it detects a break-in or a hit-and-run. For drivers who refuse to compromise on coverage, the Vantrue E360 is a phenomenal all-around guardian. Number 2. 70mm Dashcam Omni X800. Next up is the 70mm Omni X800, a camera that feels like it was pulled straight from the future. The primary lens records in incredibly smooth 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, capturing every detail of your journey with lifelike clarity. What sets it apart is its fully rotational design, allowing the main camera to swivel a full 340 degrees to cover every conceivable angle around your vehicle, effectively eliminating traditional blind spots. One of its most impressive tricks is built-in 4G LTE connectivity. By adding a simple data plan, you can receive instant alerts on your smartphone if the camera detects an incident while you're away. You can even pull up a live view from anywhere in the world, giving you ultimate peace of mind when your car is parked in an unfamiliar neighborhood. Paired with lightning-fast Wi-Fi for easy video downloads and integrated GPS that logs your speed and route, the 70mm Omni X800 is a top-tier choice for anyone who loves cutting-edge technology. Number 3. ZMOPO 4-View 360 Cam. If your primary goal is absolute, maximum coverage without any gaps, the ZMOPO 4-View is your ultimate solution. This system takes a no-nonsense approach by using 4 independent lenses that record the front, rear, both sides, and the interior simultaneously in full HD. This creates a veritable security bubble around your entire vehicle, ensuring that no event, whether it's a side swipe in traffic or an issue inside the cabin, goes undocumented. This makes it an absolute dream for rideshare drivers, as it meticulously records both road incidents and passenger interactions with undeniable clarity. The system is also highly adaptable, allowing you to fine-tune the front-facing cameras to capture the perfect angle for your specific vehicle. With reliable night vision that cuts through the darkness and an optional GPS module to track your route and speed, the ZMOPO 4-View is a workhorse built for drivers who need uncompromising 360-degree documentation. Number 4. IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. The IIWEY N5 stands as proof that comprehensive protection doesn't have to demolish your budget. This practical 4-channel system acts as a set of watchful eyes on the front, rear, sides, and interior of your car, with all feeds viewable on a bright and clear 3-inch display. It arrives ready to use, complete with a generous 128GB memory card right in the box. You'll never have to fuss with manually managing storage thanks to its reliable loop recording feature that automatically overwrites the oldest, non-essential footage.
Sharing a clip is wonderfully simple with the built-in Wi-Fi giving you a stable and fast connection to your phone for instant video previews and downloads. While it does require a plug into your car's 12-volt outlet and doesn't track your location via GPS, the IIWEY N5 delivers exceptional value. It's the perfect entry point for students, budget-conscious families, or fleet managers who need complete monitoring without the fancy extras.
Number 5. IIWEY C4 Pro. Rounding out our list is the more advanced sibling, the IIWEY C4 Pro. This model takes a significant step up in video fidelity, featuring a super sharp 2.7K front camera and a high-quality 2K rear camera, ensuring that even the smallest details are captured with precision. Its night vision capabilities receive a major upgrade, employing superior sensors to produce clear, contrast-rich black and white video after sunset. This makes identifying license plates and faces in low light conditions remarkably easy. The C4 Pro also boasts intelligent parking monitoring that can sense collisions or detect movement around your unattended vehicle, offering an extra layer of security. With the added convenience of hands-free voice control, the C4 Pro strikes a brilliant balance. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best 360 cameras for cars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.